Hey guys, I was hoping to have a chainsaw video for you today, sawmill video, but I ran into a little problem on the way to the cottage. This right here, but you can't see it very well, is my drive shaft. Right back here, although you can't see it very well either, is a bearing. That bearing supports my drive shaft because it has to span all the way from up there all the way back, well, I should say all the way forward to my transmission. But let's look down here instead. You can't really see that. Yeah, that bearing is a little gone. So I wasn't able to get to the cottage. But hopefully I'll have that fixed. And at the same time I'm flushing out my rad because I've been having overheating problems. But I do have something interesting to show you. You might recall a few years ago I showed you some of the white raspberries I have, and then I came over to this side of the property and showed you a couple strawberries. But this is what I got this year. All of this is all strawberries, and there's quite a few weeds. This is actually my lawn. But see, they're not huge, and my hands are dirty from working on my truck, but they're strawberries. It tastes pretty good. You gotta have a look at them to make sure there's no holes in them, because bugs like to crawl up in there. They taste kind of like sweet tarts. There's sort of a tart, sour taste, and then there's a bit of a sweet aftertaste to them. They're really good. But that'll be it for this week. And hopefully next week I'll have a sawmill video for you. But for now, you guys have yourselves a good day.